Snuggles. Hey, Snuggles. Hi, how you feeling? You look fantastic. Oh, they're fighting over the bottle. Look at this. Here you go. Here you go. He just had his horns done. They both did. Snuggles and Spotty Spots. Look how good they're doing. Oh. This is such good news. I'm so happy you made it. So relieved. Yes, you look gorgeous. Oh, they're so handsome. Yes, they are. Huh, Spotty? Huh, Spotty? Oh, you want me to hold you? Look at that, Snuggles. So handsome. Want some more milk? Want some more milk? Okay, let's get you some more milk. Hold on. I know. What do you have to say? You want to try to walk to everyone? Snuggles. Come on. Yes, look at you go. Oh, that's so good. Oh, get you some more milk? Yeah? Say yes, Maggie. Spotty Spots.